Hi everyone, we're at the Center for Digital Building Technology. And here with me, I have Dr. Hu Maomao, who is an assistant professor, and Natasha, who is an infrastructure and project management program student. So, Dr. Hu, could you tell us more about yourself?
Hi everyone, I'm Maomao Hu and I'm a new assistant professor in our department, the Department of Built Environment. And I teach the undergraduate course, the AI for Smart Built Environment. And my research, majorly focused on the developing sustainable and scalable technologies and computational tools to make our today's buildings low carbon, efficient, flexible, and climate resilient.
Thank you, Dr. Hu. Natasha, would you like to tell us more about yourself?
Sure. Hi everyone, I'm Natasha. I'm a Year 1 Infrastructure and Project Management student, in short for IPM, and welcome to the center.
So Natasha, could you tell us more about what life is like as an IPM student in CDE?
As a Year 1 IPM student, it's actually interesting for me to learn about the different AI tools and the simulation modules which can be used in this digitalized era. So today, I actually have a concierge robot that is actually following me around this center. So, hi Wolfram, could you tell me a joke?
Why was the robot so upset? Because someone kept pushing its buttons.
So basically, this robot, is named Wolfram. It can actually act as a tour guide and is interactive robot that would follow us around this center. I will now show you a demonstration of how this robot works.
So, Dr. Hu, could I ask you more about the overview of the mission of this center and what are you really hoping to achieve?
Yeah, absolutely. The overarching goal of this center is to improve the quality and the productivity using the digital building technologies to transform the way people design, deliver, and operate the built environment. Yeah, here the digital building technologies include AR, VR, the IoT, the digital twin, the BIM, and the video analytics, etc.
I see a lot of robots around, so could you tell us more about these?
Yeah, sure. As you can see, we have various robots here. They can accomplish different tasks. And for example, these two, they are all-terrain robots. This is a large version and this is the small version. And this one, it's used during the COVID-19. It is the ultraviolet disinfectant robot. And this one is the cleaning robot. And of course, we have a cute robot dog here.
So Prof, would you say that this center really focuses on getting students to learn how to manage large-scale infrastructure projects?
Yes.
Okay, so how does this relate to students when they enter the field?
That is a really good question. Like I mentioned, the focus of this center is to transform the built environment sector from different stage, the whole life cycle from design and construction to operations. Here I can give you two examples to demonstrate how the research in our lab can be utilized in practice. The first example is the advancement of BIM. BIM is short for Building Information Modeling. And BIM has already been widely used in today's projects. But we take it further by integrating a BIM with the new smart technologies like AR, VR, IoT, and digital twin. And by this integration, the project managers, now they can collect the real data from the construction sites and visualize them and make the better decision making based on the visualization and the data analytics. And they can also optimize the scheduling and identify the potential risks Yeah, and the second example is the automations and the robotics in our lab. They can help the labor shortage in Singapore, and they can also, accomplish some risky tasks. Yeah, by doing this, we can improve the safety at the construction sites.
Thank you so much, Dr. Hu and Natasha, for sharing your experiences and your insightful explanations. But before we wrap it up, can I ask, what is some advice that you'd like to share to prospective students who are interested in pursuing this career that is innovative and evolving rapidly in the field of digital building technology?
Yeah, sure. And my major advice is, stay curious and adaptable, because this built environment industry has been evolving rapidly with AI, automation, and data-driven decision making. So please take the initiative to explore the emerging tools, gain practical experience, and network with the professionals. To be well prepared to lead the transformation of the built environment.
It is clear that the Center for Digital Building Technologies is at its forefront to transform the infrastructure and project management space through digital technological tools. So with that, we've come to the end of our virtual tour. Come. Thank you.
Thank you and
Bye-bye.